What would I look like? What would I wear? What would my body language be? How would I be behaving? Because your behavior is your image. That's step one. Step two is that it needs to be in present tense. An affirmation needs to be in present tense because it's a declaration of truth. Declaration is a here and now, and in fact, that will begin with I am. I am is the statement you want to make. I am. It is not futuristic, which would be I'm going to be, or I want to be, or I hope to be. That's futuristic. Or I used to be, that's past. It needs to be present tense, here and now, using I am. So I am a confident public speaker and being well accepted by my professional peers, professional women. The third step will be that it needs to have your name attached. Dale Carnegie says the most valuable asset we human beings have is our names. It is absolutely the one thing that we own and we love to hear. And so it needs to have your name attached so that no one else gets to have your affirmation. And you want to have ownership of this affirmation. So your name needs to be attached. I, Jane Herron, am a dynamic public speaker and being well accepted by my peers, professional women. Step 4 will be that it needs to be exciting. It's got to be enthusiastic. It has to be fun for you to read this and for you to say this every single day, because we typically get 100,000 negative impressions between the people that we meet on the streets, in work, at home, TV, newspaper, radio, magazines. There are 100,000 negative impressions per day just absolutely hitting us in the face. So we need to have at least 2 or 3 good positive statements that we can use, and they need to be exciting. Now, I'm going to add to this. So mine will be, I, Jane Herron, am a dynamic public speaker being well accepted by my professional peers, professional women, and Oprah Winfrey wants to have me on her talk show. And so now it's exciting. So now I have to go past my own fear, seeing an image in my mind of who I want to be. I've had to get the words off my lip in a new way, saying a new truth about myself until it becomes true, working through my own fear, because I'm the only person that can unlock the key in my brain. My fear is what's going to hold me back, and you yourself are the only person that can unlock you. Does everybody feel comfortable with that? Now, once you have that affirmation written, and you have it in your mind, every time you say the affirmation, I want you to draw a circle. Every time you say the affirmation, I want you to draw a circle. Say the affirmation and draw a circle. So that when you are with someone that's very, very negative, and you have a pen in your hand, and you are doodling, every time you draw a circle, you are reaffirming what's the real truth about you, and you're never having to say it out loud. Your hand is speaking to you. That will be your way of knowing how great you are. Let's all give ourselves a zucker. This is like, I'm great. I'm a wonderful person. This is a great feeling.